Hey guys, and today I'll be showing you how to make this roller toy. We're only using a couple of materials, so let's get started. First, you're going to need a straw and a button. You will also need scissors and tape. First, you'll start by cutting the straw to the size what you want. Oh my gosh, that flew across the room, but okay. So mine is about that. I'm going to use the smaller one. And next you're going to get this and just cut along there like this. Be very careful with scissors. So it should be like this. It will have it cut down there. Next you're going to try and place the button in between it. Just roll it up and down so the straw can get like that. Okay, now put it in the middle and get a piece of tape. Okay, so you gotta get the tape and just wrap it around there like that. And then you're gonna cut off the excess. And you're gonna do that to the other side. And again, you're gonna cut off the excess. Just like that. And there you are finished your very own DIY roller. Just push that in if you want. If there's, or you can make small ones, big ones, anything like that, to whatever size you want. And it's great to take to places, like small places, like in class, so that it's not loud. Like a puppet is very loud, but this is quiet. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like the video if you liked it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!